Hello everyone. In this short presentation, I would like to share with you what I'm gonna do this summer and also give you a bit of information that could be useful for you for next academic year. 3 years ago, I started a project together with colleagues in the Hospital Gregorio Marañón in Madrid, aiming to study the effect of multiple sclerosis in language at high-level functions. That is, for example, lexicon, semantic, syntax. And why is this? Well, we know a lot about how cognition is impaired in patients with this disease, but still we know very little about how multiple sclerosis affects language in these patients. So that was the aim of this study. But what is multiple sclerosis and why we think it's interesting to study this disease in connection to language? Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system. It can affect the brain or it can affect the spinal cord. To understand the disease, we need to know a little bit how neurons are formed. So the nervous system has billions of connections of neurocells, and a neurocells or neuron has a body cells, you can see here in the picture, dendrites, and they make connections with other neurons, and these two sections are joined by an axon. Here we have the axon. The axon is covered by a myelin sheath, and this is a fatty layer that helps the connectivity, it makes it more efficient, and it protects the axon. So in multiple sclerosis, the same immune system will start to attack that myelin sheath. So you have in this picture an example of a normal nerve and a damaged nerve. Multiple sclerosis then will cause inflammation in the axon, even atrophy. And the end result is that the cell can die. Multiple sclerosis can appears in one section or different sections, areas of the central nervous system. That means that is the area is in the brain, in an area related to language, then we will observe some language functions affected by this disease. So this summer, I will focus in studying how is the lexicon affected by MS or multiple sclerosis. So we will study the lexical knowledge of these patients and also their ability to retrieve words from the mental lexicon. What is the importance of a study like this? Well, we can understand better the impact of the disease on language. Also, we can understand language better as a cognitive function and facilitate the intervention designs that could help these patients in improving their language abilities. Did you like this work? Well, think about a possible dissertation in a similar topic, or maybe you can do an academic placement in the area of psycholinguistics. If you are interested in any of these possibilities, just contact me at this email. Thank you very much.